What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, quick little how-to video. I have the Stihl HS56C hedge clippers, and today while I was trimming, we're making a bad metallic sound, and it made me realize that I have never greased the gearbox. So I came home, figured I might as well do that. I have some of this Echo high blend something or another grease. It said it's good for all Echo products, even though this is Stihl. I think it'll be just fine. I might go out and buy this dedicated Stihl hedge clipper grease, but I'm sure it's probably about the same thing, so we're just going to roll with this. Anyway, I have my special torx or Allen wrench tool that came with the hedge clippers, and all we have to do, this is such a simple thing, assuming I'm right, is we flip it over. We got 4 of these bolts that we're going to undo. And by the way, you guys go ahead and hit a thumbs up or subscribe if I make it through this whole video in one take with one hand. I'll be very impressed with myself. Alright, so we're going to unscrew these guys, and this cover should pop off and it should show us the inner workings of the gearbox. Some of that wonderful Stihl engineering we're going to all appreciate. We can get these out. Here we go. I'm covered in grass. It's been a long day. It's been like 94 degrees. Sweaty, yucky, nasty. Not really what I want to be doing right now, but I want to early start tomorrow morning, and to do that, I need to grease this gearbox. We pop off the cover. Not much going on in here. Kind of nasty looking. This is actually looking kind of dry as a bone. We're going to pop this stuff open right here. And I'm hoping there's some left in here. Alright, got that. And then we're going to squeeze it. Oh, not really what I remember it looking like. Alright, well, do that. Right here. Get in here. Alright. Probably went a little too much on it. But I found out if you put your Allen or your torque bit or whatever it's called key in, you can move. Well, maybe. I thought you could. Let's see. You guys are with me on the first try, so you know. Oh, she's mad. Ah. Oh man, I really must have messed her up, huh? I'm telling you, it was making some awful noises. Alright guys, hold it. I'm trying to keep this video super short. We're almost at 3 minutes, and if you guys stuck around for that long, I'm pretty impressed. I'm not sure that I even want. Oh, there we go. There. Oh, look, opened it up. We'll stick some down in there. And another little. Alright. Now we're rocking and rolling. Oh, yeah, get in there. I just don't know if it should sound like that. I'm gonna get a little bit more in there. You guys tell me, because I don't even have my manual anymore. I have no idea how often you should do this. So if any of you guys can let me know so I can like keep up with this, that would be awesome. Alright. Oh man, it's moving much smoother. What do you guys think? Okay. Maybe I'll put some right here too. Alright. Oh, nice. Alright, guys, what do y'all think? Alright. So it looks like it's all geared up. Listen, I'm going to pause it. Oh, no, I said I was going to do it in one take, didn't I? Oh, shoot. Alright. If you're still with me, I'm going to attempt to put the cover back on, and then we'll fire this bad boy up. All while still using one take, one hand. I'm telling you, you guys, I'm impressed with myself. I know y'all are just thinking, whatever, it's nothing, but this is extremely difficult to make these videos, especially when I'm this tired, but I figured it might help some of you guys out. Who knows? Get these bad boys in there. Look, we got a little ant. See, oh, you're trying to hide. Right there. Alright, screw this thing on right here. Maybe. Alright. Got one down. Man, I'm telling you, I really hope that this fixed that grinding noise. Also, if you guys can tell me, should you like WD-40 the blades? I gotta sharpen them, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to like throw some WD-40 or something on the actual blades themselves. Alright, get you down. Oh, throwing the wrench, the key. Whatever we're gonna decide to call it. Oh no, we're at 5 minutes. We're at 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Alright guys, we're going for under 6 minutes, okay? That's all depending on if this thing will start, because, alright, prime it, here we go, one-handed. Oh, perfect. Alright dude, awesome, perfect, 5 minutes, 53 seconds. Be sure and like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, I'll see you next video, under 6 minutes now.